Pepperidge Farm changed its consignment contracts at least 5 times in the last generation. With each new contract, they secretly grabbed more rights for itself and gradually limited the rights of new buyers. In the last few years, Pepperidge Farm abused its rights to institute policies and practices under all versions of the consignment contracts through initiatives designed to take back margin from distributors. Outraged distributors in California, Illinois, and Massachusetts filed employment misclassification class action complaints against Pepperidge Farm in an effort to stop its unfair policies and practices. The complaints allege that Pepperidge Farm engaged in unfair competitive practices, also known as predatory practices, to control distributors to such an extent that they are actually employees and therefore are entitled to the employment benefits under their respective state laws. Fortunately, Pepperidge Farm agreed to settle the wage-related claims raised in the employment misclassification class actions. Although they refused to concede to any wrongdoing and offered to pay only pennies on the dollar of their total exposure for the wage-related claims, POAA supports the monetary relief of the proposed class settlement. Unfortunately, Pepperidge Farm tied the monetary relief to a drastically different new consignment contract that will empower it not only to continue the unfair policies and practices alleged in the class action complaints, but also to authorize Pepperidge Farm to expand its unfair policy and practices that were not raised in the complaints. Now is the time for you to help POAA stop Pepperidge Farm from making this most radical contract change ever. You can voice your opposition to it through POAA's law firm, Fox Rothschild, at POAA's expense. Please check out our other videos for details about why POAA hired Fox Rothschild to help class members and all current distributors object only to the proposed new contract at our YouTube channel.